Well, the product is very energy efficient, creates a nice indoor air quality, as well as low utility bills, quality of life inside. In our area, there's a lot of wind, and these walls perform very well, very tight. If you have a lot of allergens, or if you're an asthmatic, which we have a lot of people in the area like this, it creates better indoor air quality. We control it with a piece of HVAC equipment called a heat recovery ventilator, and we bring in fresh air into the home and it goes through a filter system, so you're not bringing in dirt from outside. We set it up to transfer the air in the home 20 minutes of every hour, because these homes do not leak like traditional built homes. You're not getting the air changes naturally, so we have to do it mechanically, and it creates a very good indoor air quality. This here is one of the I.C.F blocks we're using on this particular project. This is a 9-inch overall width block. You've got a 4-inch center, so you got 4 inches of concrete, 2.5 inches of polystyrene styrofoam on each side. They come in 4-foot by 16-foot tall lengths in heights, and then you stack them together just like a Lego you played with when you were a kid. And they're really easy to handle. You can see how lightweight they are, which makes them nice. And really anybody could do it. I mean, if you had a child, they could help you do it. So then we put in vertical and horizontal rebar, which is required by the design, specific design. If it's engineered, there'll be more rebar involved. And these webs inside are put in here so you can place the rebar through here horizontally. Vertically, they just go in between. It makes it very easy. There's not any real tying involved. It helps speed up the process for sure. The utility bills are, again, quite a bit lower than traditional homes, especially some of the older ones. Ease of construction, it goes up pretty quick. It's lightweight materials. These are great, also great for basements. It performs very well below grade. The nice thing is if you're going to do a stucco application, you're set up to apply the stucco, just scratch it and you're ready to put the brown coat on it, mesh and brown, right on the surface. So there's no chicken wire and styrofoam required to go over the top of it, so that eases it, speeds up the process a little bit. It also doesn't, a lot of times stucco is known for some cracking on conventional wood framing because the wood expands and contracts so much that it causes that. We also use a synthetic stucco finish because it does expand and contract better and doesn't crack like traditional stucco. So there's a lot of advantages to using this product from the building side as well, and speeding up the process. I do. I personally live. This is my second home. I had a townhome here previously, and I just built my personal home last year out of this product, and so I live in it. I live on a hill where it's extremely windy, on top of a hill, and I couldn't imagine not having it. The other important thing is when you're building with a product like this, you need to complement it with nice, good windows. Casement-style windows is what we use. They seal tight. Sliding windows and single hung, they just don't seal like a casement does. Some applications we're using a triple glazed window, depending on what the buyer specifies they want in their home. Absolutely. After living in a home that was conventionally built versus a I.C.F home, the differences are just phenomenal. Again, the wind in the Tri-Cities, Columbia Basin area where we're at is intense, and I've had some wind speeds recorded in at my house of 80 miles an hour, and I can't imagine not having this type of construction. And the good windows, again, is very, very important. I'm a big believer after living in both types of homes, and again, this is my second I.C.F. home. The dust and the allergens, it makes a big difference.